Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my restoration of a Tarocchi Milanese Milan tarot. This is the box. You can see it's very beautiful. And this, you can see. Let's see the card. This is number card. This is information card. This tarot is smaller than Tarocchi Milanese. You can see it's a little small and very beautiful graphic. You can see here, very beautiful. Very similar with Tarocchi Milanese, but it have different direction. High quality. You can see the back. Very good. It's my favorite card in this deck. Have the sword. Very beautiful. Perfect color. See. The green is so cute. I like the color of the green of this deck. Casino, the paper is casino paper. You can hear the sound. Very beautiful. Okay, thank you to watch this video. Goodbye.